My name is David. I'm Superintendent of Water Resources, Construction and Maintenance Department for the City of Lexington.
I'm Makale with the City of Lexington Water Resources Department, Utility Crew Supervisor. Variation of pumps, meters, construction and maintenance of our water and wastewater collection systems.
One of the worst things they could ever do is flush a supposedly flushable wipe. They will not break down like toilet paper. Toilet paper is made from a different material than a wipe is, although there are some similarities, but wipes have synthetic fibers in them which will not break down.
The material of the pipe is dependent on a lot of that. If it's the older house, could have clay, could have cast iron, could have Orangeburg or fiber pipe. Fiber pipe will deteriorate and enclose on itself over a period of time from the weight of the ground. Being that flushable wipes do not degrade, they catch the compression of the pipe. The walls are closed in on each other. They'll catch, the pipe will, or the paper will hang on that and ultimately stop the pipe up.
If they're using a supposedly flushable wipe and they start having a blockage and backing up throughout the house, their toilet's not going to flush properly, the sinks are not going to drain properly, and you're going to be able to tell. It could be in one part of the house. It just depends on how far that wipe gets through the pipe. Eventually, you'll start having some odor throughout the home if it starts overflowing. If they find out that they do have a sewer stop, the first thing that they would need to do is try to refrain from using the waters, because you do not want to have water overflowing into your home on your linoleum floors or either on your carpets. At that point, you would need to contact the city to come out and assist and check for and investigate for a sewer stop. There is someone on call with the City of Lexington 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Doesn't matter if it's a holiday, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. There's always personnel on call to come out and assist and try to ensure the customers that we are there to help them.
The customer will call in to the city. The proper channels will relay the messages to individuals in our department. We will dispatch our sewer cleaning crew to start with to the address. As upon arrival, he'll do an investigation to see if there is a sewer stop on the city side. He'll check the utility right away. He also speaks with the customer, see what issues they are having, see if we can determine whether it is an issue inside the house or outside of the house. He checks the clean out to make sure the stop's not on the city side. If the stop is on the city side, he'll use a hand tape or a sewer jetter to clear the stop.
Flushable wipes are not flushable. The only thing that needs to be going through there is toilet paper and human waste.